How to split wood, how to chop firewood. Technological advances always create significant changes in our daily lives, from helping us save time to improving work efficiency. The firewood chopping machine was born to completely replace chopping firewood by hand. In the past, chopping firewood by hand was a difficult and time-consuming job. People who do this job often have to use axes and physical strength to divide firewood into small parts. However, with the development of technology, firewood splitters have become an effective solution for this. The firewood splitter works by automatically breaking firewood into small pieces, saving a lot of time and effort compared to manual work. This not only helps users save time, but also reduces the risk of injury caused by using an axe. Firewood splitters also provide higher working efficiency. With quick processing capabilities, the firewood splitter can process a large amount of firewood in a short time, helping users complete the job more quickly and efficiently. In addition, firewood splitters also bring more safety to users by eliminating the use of axes and physical effort. Wood splitters reduce the risk of injury and work accidents, especially for those who are not experienced in using hand tools. The advent of firewood splitting machines has brought many significant benefits to preparing firewood for use. Not only does it save time and effort, the firewood splitter also brings higher working efficiency and greater safety to the user. This clearly demonstrates the advancement of technology in improving the quality of our daily lives.